No time for the gym this week? That's tough. However, the good news is you can still get a solid workout at home. How often do you do push-ups? They are one of the simplest exercises ever created. If physical strength is vital to your job, you're likely doing them regularly. This applies to everyone from athletes to military personnel. Let's talk about the benefits of doing push-ups regularly. Will you get stronger? Does your cardiovascular system improve? Can your posture benefit? We'll cover all that and more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay until the end for a valuable tip. 1. Enhances muscle definition. Performing regular push-up sets can get you toned. Curious how? It's more than just pushing your body weight up and down. There are various types of push-ups that target different muscles. Standard push-ups, with hands shoulder width apart, work your triceps. Wide push-ups, with hands placed further apart, target your chest. Narrow push-ups, with hands closer together, benefit both your triceps and pectorals. Forward push-ups, with hands shoulder width apart, but positioned about 8 inches ahead, and backward push-ups, with hands placed 8 inches behind, engage your abs and back muscles. These variations can have you looking fit and ready for the beach. Number 2. Benefits for your joints. Let's shift focus from aesthetics to joint health. Joints are where 2 or more bones meet, allowing proper movement. If your joints have been bothering you, starting a push-up routine might help. Push-ups are a multi-joint exercise. If you're concerned about the muscles and tendons around your shoulders, doing push-ups regularly can be beneficial. There is no universal number of push-ups for everyone, but aim to do as many as you can. Many health experts recommend 3 sets of 12 reps. 3. Push-ups help prevent cardiovascular problems. Push-ups can significantly benefit your cardiovascular system. This exercise forces your heart to work harder, which increases oxygen production. The oxygen is then transported to your muscle tissues. To achieve the best results, you need to push yourself. In a 2019 study involving male firefighters, those who could complete 40 push-ups in 30 seconds had a lower risk of heart disease and cardiovascular issues over the next decade. Before engaging in any type of exercise, ensure your lungs are in top condition. Before we continue with this video, I need to ask you, are you feeling tired, struggling to gain muscle, or dealing with a decreased libido? It's time to take action. We present to you the Men's Power Guide, 50 natural juice and shake recipes to boost testosterone. This ebook, packed with delicious and easy-to-make recipes, is the ultimate solution to naturally increase your testosterone levels so you can feel more energetic, stronger, and confident every day. The price is very affordable, and by purchasing it, you are also supporting our channel to bring more health-related content to you for free here on YouTube. Get it now by clicking on the link in the first pinned comment of this video. Now, let's get back to the video. 4. They protect your shoulders. One of the most detrimental injuries is to the rotator cuff. This joint enables your shoulder muscles and tendons to function. As we age, our shoulders become more susceptible to damage or injury, making proper exercise essential. Strong shoulders are better at preventing injury. Performing push-ups helps stabilize the shoulder muscles surrounding the rotator cuff. If done correctly, push-ups can also increase shoulder flexibility, enhancing physical performance, especially in hard labor and athletics. So, if you want to throw a perfect spiral with a football, try incorporating more push-ups. While they benefit your arms and chest, the standard push-up form also works your shoulders. Initially, most experts recommend aiming for 3 sets of 12 reps. They build your core. Walking down the beach with a chiseled set of abs is a dream for many fitness enthusiasts. To achieve this, you need to do a substantial number of push-ups. Remember the forward and backward push-up variations? These are ideal for building a strong core. Not only will your core look good, but it will also be healthy and strong. When we talk about the core, it includes everything from the abdominals to the waist and pelvis region. These abdominal muscles are divided into mobilization muscles and stabilization muscles. Stabilization muscles help maintain a healthy posture and support the body, while mobilization muscles allow for movement. Proper push-ups strengthen these key areas, promoting a healthy back, increasing running speed, and enhancing flexibility. A weak core can lead to back problems and injuries and can cause you to tire more quickly. For runners and gymnasts, a stable core is essential for injury prevention. 6. They maintain your balance. In simple terms, push-ups help prevent you from falling over. The exercise trains your proprioceptive muscle fibers, which keep your body balanced. You might not realize it, but performing a single push-up tests your body's stability. When you get into the push-up position, your muscles are already working to prevent you from collapsing. Pushing yourself upward is another challenge. Your nerves react to keep your body from tipping over and strive to maintain stability. Doing 12 reps in a set significantly improves your balance. Have you been doing your push-ups lately? Has this information motivated you to start? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.